Guys, those of you on YouTube, I just want to show you two different video clips, okay? Because I have two webinars, one made yesterday and one today. If you are looking on my Facebook page, you probably found that we did super well. Not sure if you already tuned into my Facebook page. It's the one on the Binary Lab. So it's facebook.com/the Binary Lab page, and I also did two, not one, but two live streams, like this one and also this one, just showing you some of the trades that took place, and you can check out the trades and stuff. But what I wanted to share with you in a nutshell, okay, is that um, a lot of people have this tendency to trade the markets the wrong way, okay? And on my live stream yesterday, one guy actually asked as well, uh, based on the stuff that happens on the on the trading, is it possible to design like some kind of a robot to robotize the strategy? Now, where the heck did that comment go? I think it's somewhere here. Yeah, it should be on this one. Like yeah, it's somewhere over there. So one of the comments was like, can we robotize the stuff? And the thing is this, I'm going to show you two different market conditions. This was yesterday. Yesterday's session was great. Uh, Basically yesterday and today about 80% wins. Now I want to show you, like, look at the general market conditions. Okay, so as you can see, all these are very big swings. Yesterday is like all very beautiful, like 15 bar drops, 15 bar rises, or 20 bar drops, 20 bar rises, and every swing, all these are swings like zigzags. Okay, all these zigzags are about like at least 10 pips. So very beautiful. Um, compare that to today. Okay, this is today. Um, I started the session to explain to people why certain trades that they were taking before I began the webinar was not working. For example, they were taking trades here, they're taking trades here, and the market didn't revert. Why? So I was explaining to them based on indicators and stuff why it didn't work out. And also, when I went to measure these, you look at the numbers here between from like this whole thing from here to here. This is very significant, but all the other ones like that, here to here, is barely like 10 pips. So a lot of the movements, look, compare and contrast these kind of movements versus like versus this one. I mean, huge difference. I mean, if you just look at it, the differences are just so glaringly obvious, and this is why it's so important to uh, watch your past trading. So go over the previous markets, record yourselves when you trade, and let's say you know you if you're a member of the Binary Lab, you also have the benefit of cross-referencing. Why is it certain webinars is performing well? Why certain webinars, like a different strategy has to be used in order to adapt to the conditions. Now, why is it on today's webinar I was not trading as much as yesterday's webinar? Simply because yesterday's webinar, the conditions were so much better, the swings were big, and I had like a lot of confidence to take all these reversal trades. You can see, like all these trades like literally took off when I went, like, shortly after I took them. Whereas today, well, I wouldn't say that it didn't work out the same way. In fact, today worked out very well as well. We took like 4 trades of the 5 trades, and won like a majority of those. So, but the thing is that today's movements were all very tiny. See, between 52 and okay, let's look at this one. This one's between. Yeah, I'm just switching. I'll pause this. Just check this out. Like, okay, between 51 and 49. That's what, 2 pips. Pathetic. Okay. You can't trade that kind of volume. Like between here, 49 to 53. Looks like a lot, but it's only 4 pips. So, like this trade, for example, we won, but it didn't win by a huge margin. And for that reason, I took much smaller trading sizes compared to yesterday. You can check out like the trades. I don't know why this thing keeps flashing like that, but I'll show you in a bit. So anyways, back to when that loads, I'll show it to you. But as you can see, like today, very conservative trade sizes. I told the guys, like based on the number of trade confirmations, based on the market movements, based on number of bars in the swing. All these factors would lead you to want to trade either bigger or smaller. And of course, sometimes if you feel very confident about a trade, but just that the conditions are not right, then you don't trade it with so much of a risk exposure. So today worked out very well. As you can see, like this one are in the red, but just wait a couple moments, then they actually go into the green. Okay, so here we are in the green, nicely in the green, making money on these trades. This one was the only loss, and there was some news at the point of time, but didn't want to take it. Um, so if you're not already in Binary Lab and you want to be able to get hold of like the detailed recordings I do with my members, I have a YouTube channel dedicated just to that. And like for example, they're all inside of this. There's a whole bunch of recordings that you can actually tune into right here, and these are like for members. You can go over them. Uh, all these are unpublished videos, and you can check out all this stuff. It's all archived inside my Telegram group. Whenever I post up a new video, it's all over there. It's all here. The webinar schedules are all here. This week we started really good, but let's say if you missed out, don't worry, because there's still tonight. In 7 hours from now, there's going to be a next webinar, and you can get in on that, and I'll be happy to see you there and walk you through and answer your questions during the webinar so that I can point you in the right direction. So this is our schedule for the remainder of this week, and I look forward to seeing you inside the Binary Lab. Goodbye for now. If you want to sign up for the Binary Lab, go ahead to. There are two ways of doing it. There is, of course, like for my Facebook page, you can actually click on the sign up button, uh, or you can also go to this Facebook group here. It's facebook.com/groups/join-binary-lab. Oh god, wrong. This is a wrong link. Oh god. I gotta fix that. Silly autocorrect. Yeah, I gotta fix that. It should be a different link. It should be join binary lab. So I gotta adjust that. So facebook.com/groups/join binary lab. That should be the right way. And I'll see you guys inside the group. Bye for now.